Hey guys, today I'm gonna give you a nice little bike check. I just finished riding. It's a Diamondback bike, and it is a 23-pound bike. I recommend the bike, but some parts of it you probably won't like. I might sell it in like a couple months for like $120, but the price might vary depending on how many parts I take apart and when I get my new bike and how old this bike will get. I'm not sure what year this was, any of these parts are, but yeah, and okay, I forgot what I was going to say. Oh yeah, what I was going to say is I'm going to take off these reflectors. They're stupid. Okay, let's start. I have the ODI long neck soft grips. I really recommend them. They're really good. Grippy. They're soft. I love them. I love to ride with them. And yeah. I have a 17 or 18 centimeter handlebars. They are Chromoly Diamondback. And I really like them. I really forget what this part is, but whatever it is, it's a obviously Diamondback. You could see it right there, and it's good. It gives you a nice 360-degree spin for when I start learning bar spins. All right, let's take it down a notch. So down here is the Diamondback fork. The only reason it's good, but it's stock. The only reason why I don't like it is that the bolt that's in here is too big actually to fit pegs, and that annoys me. But whatever. Okay, so let's get to the hub. The hub is a Diamondback hub. Well, obviously it's a hub, but I said that like 3 times. Alright, it's obviously Diamondback. It's a hub. I don't recommend it. It breaks a lot. Yeah, these parts will vary over time, so don't think this will be all crappy. I don't know if you heard that good, but whatever. I'm not going to go into. Okay, these rims are a Odyssey, I think. Odyssey rims with the stock. I forgot what they are. Shit. I don't know. I'm just gonna say they're Diamondback for now. They are the stock Diamondback black spokes. Well, they're obviously I said stock, so they're obviously Diamondback. Because this is a Diamondback bike. This is a 20 by 1 tube, front tube, and the frame. The frame is I'm pretty sure it's the stock frame. What is it? It's either the 012, I think. I don't know. All I know is it's like a couple years late. But like it's not in the stores right now. It's not a big, good frame, but I would recommend it because it's strong. It doesn't even matter if it's old or not. It's strong. It's nice, and it'll last you a while. Hopefully it will. Remember, I've only been riding that for a certain amount of time. All right, let's go to the seat. This seat is a stock seat. It doesn't really have a name, for all I know. It's not comfortable at all. Look, when I put my finger in it, it doesn't go down at all. It just sucks. Pretty sure this is just like hard metal under this little pad. And this sprocket is, I would say, 15 to 16 centimeters width all around, with the and it's Diamondback, it's stock, and the chain is stock Diamondback also. I don't really see the point of changing the chain. I mean, this chain is perfectly fine. I mean, sure, I might spray paint it at one point, then re-grease it. But yeah, it's really greasy, dude. Look at my finger just from giving it a little dab. And these pedals are the PC pedals. They're metal by Diamondback. And I'm pretty sure they're not stock. I'm pretty sure they got them new. But I didn't know they had these little nuts in them, so I don't recommend it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they're not stock. But I like them. Woo! That was really gay, but whatever. I only ride with these Mongoose pegs. And the thing is, why I like Mongoose pegs is because they come out a little bit more than like any other peg. They don't go out to here like some stupid ass pegs. They don't go out like really far, and they don't go in too much. That's why I like them. So I have them on both sides of this tire, and so the spokes and rims, they are the stock Diamondback for both of the things, and it's the same as the front pretty much, with the same front tube as the back tube, although it has like a different design on it, but I don't really care. And the hub is the stock Diamondback hub. I do not like this type of back hub. I like my front hub better than it, because I'm pretty sure it's in chromoly and stuff, and this breaks a lot more often. And this is my least favorite part of the bike. The least favorite part of the bike is that it has the coaster brake. You see? Turn it backwards. Doesn't even go that far. But I've kind of gotten used to it, so whatever. But I'm going to get freewheel so I can pedal backwards, because I crashed with this type of brake, and it really hurt when I crashed. It was like different, and the bike completely broke, and I just fixed it today. Now I'm back in BMXing, back in business. And yeah, that's my bike check. I hope you enjoyed it. I know I haven't made a video in a while, but whatever. So yeah, I just got into BMXing. Hopefully I learned some new tricks. I already got like foot jams down and stuff, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Like it if you liked this and you want to see some more action with me outside of my video gaming world. And by the way, I quit that dumbass game that I have like a million game videos on, whatever it's called, Roblox. I quit it a long time ago, but the reason why I have some 2012 videos and like early in 2013 videos is because when I quit, I wanted to post every video that I ever made and just post it on there. I was making them since I was like 7. And yeah. Sorry, I like spitting. And so I've been playing Roblox since I was like 11, but I quit a while back. If you didn't know, like when I was in 3rd grade, I just quit it. It was kind of stupid. I'll give away my account for some money, because trust me, I've spent some money on that game, so I want to give it away for some money. Get some extra money just to get my bike back in. What the hell? How am I holding this camera? Alright, hopefully that's the same way. But okay, sorry, all the dilly-dally talking and all that. I don't know who says dilly-dally, but I just did. yeah, so this is my bike check. Like and subscribe. Leave a rate if you like. I don't really go for rates or anything. But make sure to subscribe because that keeps me going, keeps me up, making new videos, making them better, improving. And if I missed any parts, just put in the comment. And yeah, so in like 5 months, I might sell it for like $120. The price might vary depending on like if I take off valuable parts, then the price will go down. If I put more valuable parts on it, then the price will go up. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching, and yeah, that's my bike check. See you guys later.